Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the TD Bank website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in td.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official TD Bank website. Now choose your account type from personal, small business, commercial and investing. After choosing your account type, you will see the login button. Just click on the login button and you will end up within the login portal. From the login portal, you can just type in your username or your access card number and then enter your account password. After typing both of these credentials, click on the login button and you will immediately be logged into your account on TD Bank. In case you forgot your password, you can click on the reset password or the forgot your username or password button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on TD Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.